Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the HTML file open, so start by locating the element whose text you want larger or smaller. Once done, decide whether you mean the editor's display font or the page's rendered font. For the page, target a selector now, body PH1, or insert a style block. For the editor, press Ctrl+ to open settings quickly. Make that choice intentionally. It determines which settings or CSS rules you edit next. If you chose page font size, add or edit a CSS rule in a style tag or external style sheet. Body font size, 18px or P font size, 125 rem. Use rem or m for scalable layouts and px when you need exact pixels. If you chose the editor, type font size in settings, update the text editor font size value, and press enter. Make sure to save files. Changes in CSS require. Once you apply a CSS rule or change editor size, preview immediately, use Live Server or refresh the browser tab. If your rule doesn't show, inspect the element to see what's overriding it. Increase selector specificity or append. Important sparingly. Make sure browser zoom is 100% and clear cache if necessary. If the editor doesn't reflect settings, restart VS Code or check for user versus workspace settings conflicts. These steps close the loop and get your font sizing consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.